Meaning of gloppy.
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 Gloppy. Gloppy is an adjective that describes something that is thick, sticky and messy, often with a sense of unappealing or unattractive texture. It can be used to describe various substances, such as food, liquids, or even certain types of mud. When something is described as gloppy, it may suggest that it is difficult to handle or unpleasant to interact with. For example, a bowl of oatmeal that is too thick and lumpy might be described as gloppy. Overall, the term conveys a sense of unappetizing or uninviting physical qualities.